Namaste, yoga friends.
Welcome to today's Kids Yoga Meets Astrology. We entered into a new zodiac sign a few days ago, and that is the sign of Virgo. And Virgo is a very practical sign. Virgo is a sign of somebody that likes to pay attention to the details and organize things, and little things mean a lot when it comes to a Virgo. And so a Virgo is the type of energy that you would want to be working, let's say, in your office behind the scenes, taking care of all those small little details. They are very, very good at that. Virgo being an earth sign, their heads are not in the clouds like an air sign. Unlike a fire sign that we just came out of, they're not going to explode with emotional outbursts and whatnot. And the water signs are also emotional, let's say. So fire and water have that similarity sometimes if they boil over. But now Earth is very grounded. So it's a great time to be back to school with Virgo season, because the kids need to stay organized. And guess who's one of the best organizers? A Virgo, best organizer. So whether you are a Virgo or you know someone who's a Virgo, you can take on that Virgo energy. You can just plug into it. If you just take a moment to just close your eyes and breathe and think about what you need to do. It's a great time to make lists, and for your children. And why do you think the schools give us lists? Just like the schools do to get your kids back to school. So happy birthday, Virgos. The sun is shining on you for the next month. We hope that you take this time to pay attention to all the details that Virgo strengths bring you. Namaste. Have a great yoga day.